like dragons online classroom. Let's learn! For this lesson, you will need something to write with and something to write on. Okay? Get that ready now and pause the video if you need to.
Hi everyone and welcome to another phonics lesson with Mrs. Boucher and Puffles. We've looked at all of the long vowel sounds now except the long U sound or oo sound. This is a bit of a tricky one, which is why I left it for last. But let's have a look at all of the different sounds that can make the long U sound. Can you spot any pictures here? Which words do those pictures represent? The long oo sound. Okay, so we've actually got 5 graphemes for the long U sound. How tricky. So we've got Puffles' favourite because it makes him laugh. Ooh, who at the zoo? Oh, Puffles, you're so silly. Ooh, with 2 O's. E-W, chew the stew. U-E with a split digraph. Huge brute. And then this one is a new one for us. U-E without the split digraph. Come to the rescue. And lastly, U-I as in fruit and juice. Tricky. So your piece of paper needs to have 5 columns today. That's a new record for all of our long U words. Do that now. Are you ready to see what Puffles found in our house with a long U sound? What have you got for us, Puffles?
Haha, an apple, which is a type of
fruit. Well done, Puffles. You found some healthy fruit. Fruit. Can you put that in the correct column on your piece of paper? Fruit. Fruit. Yum, yum, yum. Are you eating that apple now? Yummy, yummy. What else have you got for us? Oh.
It's a shape.
It's a cube. You can tell because all of its faces are squares and all of its sides are the same length. Cube, which is, oh, if I can pick it up, a split digraph. Cube. Super job, Puffles. What else do you have for us? Oh, it's heavy.
Ugh. Technically it's squish, but I couldn't find any juice. But we're going to pretend that this is juice.
Okay, we could not find any juice, but fruit juice has an oo sound like this. Juice. Now, do you notice the curly cur makes a s sound? Sometimes it does that when it's before a vowel. It's a tricky one. Juice. Have you written it down? Super duper. What else have we got? Oh, Puffles.
It's a boot.
It's my boot. Sorry about the mud on the bottom. It's a boot. 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 Very good. Okay. Let's see. How many have we got left? Just 3, I think, but one of them is so small. I'm not sure where it went. I'll have to find that one in a minute. Oh, I found it, Puffles.
Yay!
It's very small. Can you see it? It's a bit tricky. It's a teeny tiny screw. You use it to put things in walls and other things and to put furniture together. Very useful, very easy to lose. Screw. 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 Okay, next one.
This one might get you in a sticky situation.
Oh, you're obsessed with sticky situations, Puffles.
It's glue.
Aha, of course. Glue. Let's have a look at how we spell glue. Ooh, glue. Glue, glue. Super duper. Okay, last one, I think. Oh, it's cold and slippery.
It's a tube.
It's a tube from my fridge, which is wet. Tube. Have a look. Tube, tube. Tube. Now, sometimes when they're the split digraph ones, instead of tube, because we wouldn't say tube, we actually pronounce it tube, like in huge. It depends on the word. That's why it's an extra tricky one. Okay, well done everybody. You should have lots of words in your columns now. What you need to do next is pause the video and think of any more ooh words you can think of and try and pop them in the right column. Pause the video now and we'll see what you come up with. Okay, are you ready? Let's see what Puffles and I came up with. Lots of words. Okay, so we've got boot, moon, pool, goose, zoo, moon, screw, flew, chew, through, view, cube, tube, rude, huge, brute, flute, glue, blue, true, rescue, statue, argue, and value. And finally, fruit, juice, suit, bruise, cruise, and recruit. Lots of ooh words today. Well done, everybody. You've worked so hard and we're so proud of you. And we will see you soon. Bye.
Who follows the magic track?